light fixtures are actually a really easy upgrade to a house. It is something where you don't think about it a lot of times, but they're a really easy way to change over a room. My wife and I actually have a fixture in our laundry room that we weren't happy with and wanted to do something on. We actually were originally going to do a DIY project on it, and then just the other day we were at Home Depot and discovered exactly what we were looking for at a $17 clearance price. There are times when you just say, you know what? It's easier to buy this thing pre-made and put it in than it is to try to make it myself and then install it. So, if you come with me, we'll go ahead and show you what I did to get that changed over. Alright, so first things first, you're always going to want to make sure that the breaker is turned off before you do any electrical work. Electricity is dangerous. Make sure you're following your local codes. You know the deal. First thing I'm going to do after I've got the power off is take out the old fixture. In this case, I went ahead and cut the wires on it because they were all entangled and it was a pain to try to untangle. Then I went ahead and put in the new crossbar piece. This is the support that's going to hold the fixture on there. Once I got that installed, then it was a matter of getting the wires stripped to the proper length. Once the wires were stripped to the proper length, then I began installing the actual fixture. The package that I had included the wire nuts for it. If you get one that doesn't have wire nuts, you just have to buy them separately. They're not expensive. But went ahead, entangled the wires, cranked that wire nut on there until it was nice and tight. Once all of the wires were hooked up appropriately, in accordance with the manufacturer's directions, then I was able to go ahead and move it up into the position where it is on the mounting bar. Obvious last step whenever you're putting in a new light fixture is actually installing the light bulbs into it. And then turn on the power. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time. If you enjoyed what you saw, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button on here. Also, if you want to check out any more detailed bits about my post, you can check that out in the blog. I'll also have links to any tools and materials I use there.